I know probably you are still digesting on the president's interview that happened yesterday through the various journalists that you guys watched. And also, I'm sure maybe you're probably making plans for this week's demonstration because apparently, based on the online calendar, tomorrow there's a demonstration. And there are various activities that were outlined on the calendar. But I also want to notify you that the government already commenced the registration of the SHIF, that is Social Health Insurance Fund. This particular fund is going to replace the NHIF. And you know, as the registration commences, it comes with various changes. Remember, for the NHIF, for instance, if you are paying 20,000, then you are going to be deducted 750 shillings. If you're earning maybe 50,000, then you are going to be deducted probably 1,050. But now with the NHIF, with the SHIF, sorry, there is a fixed percentage you're supposed to be deducted. So there is a 2.75% deduction that is going to happen based on the various amount you're earning. So for instance, if you're earning 20,000 still, so 2.75% will be deducted on your salary. If you're earning 50,000 and so forth and so forth. So for the SHIF, it is 2.75% deduction imposed on your salaries. And also remember for the NHIF, if you are probably earning, if you're not employed probably, then there was a mandatory 500 Kenya shillings that you had to pay for you to be able to enjoy the health services. So if you have found that you have not been paying the monthly 500 shillings for the unemployed, still you are not going to enjoy. So with the SHIF, it's a fixed percentage you are supposed to be deducted. So 2.75%. And already the government commenced registration today, the 1st of July, as announced by the CS of Health, that is Nahumicha. So there is an USSD you're supposed to dial, *147# for you to be able to do a self-registration. And of course, there are other platforms where you'll be able to register. So my question is, as we transition from the NHIF to the SHIF, you know, Kenyans were already paying with the NHIF. You know, the monthly amount that Kenyans were paying, whether you are employed or not, there is an amount you are paying. And people have been, remember, NHIF has been there for years. But now, as we transition to the SHIF, what will happen with the amount that was paid? Will NHIF now go with the amount and we are starting afresh? Because currently there are no news on whether the amount in the NHIF card will be transferred to the SHIF. The government has gone silent on that, and maybe probably we'll hear news soon, but so far there are no changes, and these are questions we were supposed to ask. What will happen with the amount Kenyans are already paying on the NHIF? Will they be transferred to the SHIF, or what will happen? That is a question to you.